Most people live in a lonely world, lost in the middle of a busy sea. Most people long for a special island, one where they know they will like to be. Koro Island may call you any night, any day. In your heart you'll hear it call you, come away, come away. Koro Island will whisper in the wind of the sea. Here am I, your special island. Come to me, come to me. Here am I, your special island. Come to me, come to me. Your own special hopes, your own special dreams bloom on the hillside and shine in the streams. If you try, you'll find